Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where the number keys on the right side are not working, means the number keys on the number pad are not working, then please watch this video. Now in 99.9% cases, the issue is that this number lock key is not pressed. So you can press it once and check if it helps. In 99.9% cases, this is the reason. Otherwise, these keys wouldn't be working as well. So once this is sorted out, the next phase would be to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. If that doesn't help either, then here's what you have to do. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar, go to device manager, expand the list for keyboards, right click on the first one and update drivers, right click on the second one and update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.